Instead of preaching thousands of people, it is far better to nurture and shape up personality and character of few. We have everything these days in our country, but there is a lack of a great man, a selfless man. Not able to find persons like Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lokmanya Tilak, Vivekanand or like. But I will do that. I will do that through you. Don't worry, you don't have to do anything. I will bring new generation kids to you. You tell them good things. Teach them meditation. Rest I will do even after I leave the world. You do your work here with children, and I will do my bit by changing everything in the subtle world. Book title: Bal Sanskar Shala Margdarshika, Guide for Personality Refinement Classes for Children. As parents, guardians, responsible citizens, we all wish that children who are the future of any nation have strong values, discipline, good habits and character. We intend that their friends and companions are also good to avoid falling into the trap of bad habits. For this, we must lead by example. We can also conduct weekly personality development classes called Bal Sanskar Shala to imbibe values and good practices in our children. We can start these classes at home, clubhouse of society or even online, starting with a small batch to begin with. These classes include age-appropriate fun activities, inspirational stories of legends, yoga and pranayam. This is such a meaningful engagement with children. Not only you teach, but you also learn a lot by being with them. It encourages team building, cooperation, character building, and exchange of good thoughts. To summarize, it lays a foundation for imbibing a sound value system, habits, and beliefs. If you can have questions like, how do I do this? What do I need for this? Which stories to tell? Which games to play? How to approach parents? What's the class structure? How much time to devote, etc. Then here is a book to answer those queries. Bal Sanskar Shala. This is a complete manual giving directions for the teacher, the format of the class, the content of the course, resources needed to conduct the class, inspirational quotes, stories, games and recreational activities, yoga and pranayam. It is a one-stop shop and a training manual for course you can run for carving the best out of children who are eventually the future of any nation. Few excerpts from the book. If educated, creative brothers and sisters and citizens start working for this noble objective, Bal Sanskar Shala or personality refinement classes can be conducted in each colony and cooperative society. This can be well experimented within school clubs imbibing moral values. We are sure that sensible and compassionate citizens will commit to this goal of self-refinement and building a great nation. Education and true wisdom have a fundamental difference. Education is giving direction to accomplish the external needs of life. Literature, art and craft, science, industry, health, society, etc. Other topics are covered under education. Scope of wisdom is beyond this. Knowing self, refining self, adhere to responsibility, high character, devotion to society, etc. is characterized under wisdom. These ensure the inclusion of excellence and high moral values in the thoughts and vision of an individual. Wisdom is for nurturing attributes like compassion, empathy, motherly affection, generosity, philanthropy, service to society, establishing high conduct, bravery, courage, adherence to justice, orderliness, pure intellect, sense of responsibility, courageous, etc. It is through this amalgamation of education and wisdom that an individual learns the art of living. Small resolution is the stepping stones that give us self-confidence for a more significant resolution. You are human and you should never forget those who help you in time of need. Try to help them as much as you can and always feel gratitude towards them. Children are playful and restless in nature and can't sit quiet and at the same place for the whole class. Some time should be there for entertainment too in the class timetable. If some good is done with an expectation of any benefit or acknowledgement, it is pure business and not a holy deed. Few topics covered in the book: instructions for trainers, direction for teacher running classes for imbibing values in children, timetable, resources and format for class, inspirational stories, real stories, instances, childhood of great people, inspirational quotes, inspirational songs, life management skills, entertainment through experiments, outside games, interesting games, yoga and physical education.